Hello guys, welcome back on MeltflexAI. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have a toilet space which you're not satisfied with the look of it and you want to change it. So all you have to do, you just have to upload a photo of your toilet space inside the Meltflex. Yeah, this looks a bit more ridiculous, but it is what it is. And all you have to do, you just have to stylish the toilet. So for example, let's say I want a different style different style of toilet. I like minimalism, for example. Minimalism, give me some ideas. Yeah, and all you have to do, just go for the bed generation, because it will actually give you more ideas about how the toilet could actually look, and in about 20 seconds you will see what MeltflexAI does for you, and it will return actually pretty nice toilets. So yeah, let's see what it does. So let's go throughout the generations. So this was the original one. This is the second one. Let me just go for it. This is the third one. I think it added the I'm not sure about the switches where they are here. Oh yeah, they're right there. So as you can see, it added them right here. So different option and also different type of toilet. This is like a minimalistic style, so I would say it's pretty much similar, but let's go for some different ideas. So let's say, for example, give me different idea about toilet space, and it can actually be anything. You will probably upload something which doesn't look as nice as this, but yeah, well, let's go with the second option. But you can actually then renovate it, redesign it, and just see it like and imagine it how it could look after the reconstruction. So we wouldn't start reconstructing the toilet, because it's also like expensive thing before you actually are decided about the look of the toilet and how you will feel. So let's see. Also, if you spend a lot of time on toilet, I think it's pretty useful. So most of the things are bullshit. I don't know what it gave me, but I wasn't clear enough probably. I just wanted to reconstruction of toilet. As you can see, it changed the toilet. So let's go again. Let's try, for example, give me different toilet, and let's see what AI does. And then actually we have some similar and important thing to actually show, because all these toilets that they designed you can actually find somewhere on Amazon, Wayfair, Pottery Barn, anything that you might know. These are pretty nice. So this is the look of it in a black. This is the whole toilet. I can also see how it matches the style. Let's go with this one. This is pretty similar than the previous one, which is like more white, and this is the most classical one, at least here in Europe. So as you can see, these are the ones. So let's just decide which we want to do. So let's, for example, go for this one. This is like the rectangle shaped one. Let's actually see where we can find it for sale. So as you can see right here you will see only your local shops, that not local, but that are able to deliver it within your country. So you won't pay like thousands of euros for a delivery and so on. So this is pretty cool. And here you can actually compare the prices. So for example, these ones, they all look the same for me, but this is like 10 euros cheaper than the other one. Also, this is like Boko. This is a bit more stylish one, but it's a bit more expensive. So you can actually play with your budget, because of course it's always about the money in the end. And you can actually try it on MeltflexAI.com for free. So the first generation is for free, and you can try to redesign your toilet with the free design that we have. And if you are satisfied, if you want to iterate over it, you can design more and more and more. And also try different colors. As I seen before, this black, for example, it completely changed how the toilet looks. So you can also do that for you, and it's super easy. All you have to do, just upload the photo of the toilet. So just take a phone, just snap a photo, and make a reconstruction reality. And in the end, you will actually find. Also, this one is pretty cool. It's like a matte gray or something. And then if you're satisfied with the tool, you can actually purchase the subscription and you can play with it. Also, if you're interior designer and you are designing for more people, you can go for enterprise plans and play with it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a nice day. Ciao.